Good morning and happy 2026. My name is Yoli. I am usually going by Yo-Yo or Ravioli. Anyway, just wanted to start this vlog and start the new year with a vlog and actually try to see if I can, I don't know, like just keep a diary of or a video diary of what goes on in my daily life. So today we're actually going to Brazen Racing, which is a race in the East Bay in Lake Chabot, and I'll probably be running the 5K today and perhaps do a volunteer after. Last year I actually streaked all the Brazen races, which means I ran all the races. Anyway, let's see what this day brings. All right, and this is Jay.
Good morning. And it's cold, but at least it's not raining. Happy New Year.
Yay!
I'm still asleep. Need to wake up.
All right, so here we go.
All right.
We're gonna get our coffee and go from there. Go Starbucks. Thank you, sir. Happy New Year, officer. Good morning. Happy New Year. We're parking now.
Yeah.
Good morning. I'm a volunteer.
Leave this on the dash.
Thank you.
You're gonna see you're a good driver this year. Yeah, look at this.
Okay, on our way to Brazen Village now. Got my coffee. The rain has stopped, so nice. It's gonna be a muddy run. Little mud doesn't hurt. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Hey, Happy New Year.
Good morning.
Oh, hey,
Happy
why are
New
you
Year.
here? Morning.
Surprise.
I know.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
You weren't coming.
I can't stay away. You guys should have had a bet.
She showed up.
Hi, Rola. Good.
She will streak again.
She's streaking. The first one on top. Look at that. See what I got. Yay! Thank you, Sam and Jasmine. This is. Thank you, Catherine.
526.
Ooh, $10.99.
Are you Michael? Yes. Kimberly? You're on sale. $10.99.
Raining.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Here we go. Good job, runners. Woo! Here we go. Let's finish.
Look at all these runners. Yoli coming through. J2, Warren.
Okay, we are soaked from the run. Very wet 5K, but we did it. Wet shirt. Good tip, when you're running, you get your shirt and you change into them afterwards so you're not completely wet. Whew. Right?
That's right.
I'm gonna put my dryer shirt. Alright.
Not bad. First day of
Woo.
2026.
All right.
Out in the rain.
Brazen New Year.
All morning. Getting soaked.
Alright, going home. See ya. Alright. Okay guys, that was an amazing morning. It was wet and wild, and it was intense getting home as well, and we made it. We did it. This is my first vlog, and I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we will see. And I hope that you continue to watch for more adventures throughout the year. Later on in May, I will be going to Brazil, so hopefully you can follow that adventure. Sit tight, see what's next, and Happy New Year, day 1 of 365 vlog, and we'll see how this is gonna turn out. Peace out.